Hi all, this is Kola Abid here, a person who humbly led the foundation of UOA Science Club with her amazing juniors. The aim of today's video is to let you know all about the aims and objectives and the motivations behind building the foundation of UOA Science Club. This forum is highly determined to cater the most basic academic needs of high school students. We are determined to produce generations of excellent writers or science communicators, artists, designers, and young researchers. I know this statement sounds like an abstract one, but we youngsters are really doing this. And we are motivated to set an example of student powered mentoring in the most needed areas of science and academia. The organogram that you guys looking right at the front is just a complete example of the work that we want to do and that we are really doing. Just look at the first wing, that is outreach wing. This wing is determined or motivated to work on the communication skills of the students. And the next wing is science art wing. This wing is truly dedicated to disseminate that science and arts, they are not two different things. Both run in complementation with one another. And the next wing is science literature wing. Well, this wing is truly determined to produce generations of excellent writers and excellent young researchers. And the last wing is science web and media wing. This wing is aimed to produce students who could showcase their work in digital terms, in terms of digital design. And all the wings have 4 different mentors. So yeah, after this just brief and very quick description, I would like to invite the current president of UOA Science Club, who is the one and only Miss Barira Farouk. So I would love if she could come here and let us know about her role in UOA Science Club and how excited she is. So Miss Barira, please let us know. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Barira here. As a president, I'm currently leading UA Science Club and being a member of founding team, yeah, I feel super excited for this club. So if we talk in general, this club brightens our lives, mold us into creative forms, turn us towards new paths and clear our ways. It provides us enough energy to serve our community and to volunteer for our nation. We are promoting a culture of learn by doing. And as a friend person, I am expecting a huge community service from our learners. I hope for a breed of polished youngsters and experts in different domains, as Kola has already disseminated the wings of Yuva Science Club. This forum is purely for community service. So, personally, I'm also playing my role and want to promote this agenda all around the world. Thank you.